And there is Pumka the cat. Hey Pumka, how are you today? Long time no see, eh? You're hungry again. You have been hungry. Where we will rest. Let's rest here. This is a good spot. Come for a hug. You are wet. It has been raining these days. Yes. Mew, mew, mew. You said hi. What, you said hi to everyone? Mew, mew. Okay, where the cat went? There she is. Beautiful black cat. Yes, mew, mew, mew. Mew, mew, mew. Yeah. We are good. Yes. If I knew the cat language. Okay. Alright, enough playing. I have to go now. You go with me? Okay. Right, stay here. Okay. I left the cat. I'm not good person. Am I?